How to change Bitmoji body type on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar. Tap on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now over here you can find your avatar. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll get this option of change outfit. Tap on it. Now at the bottom you'll find different icons. Tap on this one icon given at the bottom right corner. Now over here you'll find different options. Just scroll, tap on this one icon. From here you can easily change your Bitmoji body type. You can see that here are a few options given. You can select any of these. And that way your Bitmoji's body type on Snapchat will be changed. Likewise here you can find other options as well. You can change the hair, likewise makeup and everything. So this was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Bitmoji body type on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.